Okay, let's dig into something most of us, well, probably ignore until there's a problem. Professional toilet installation.
Right. Seems simple, maybe?
Yeah, exactly. So we looked at insights from folks like Pacific Blue Mechanical. They work with homeowners in places like Pitt Meadows and all over British Columbia. And we're trying to figure out two things. First, why pay a pro for this job? And second, what cool new stuff are we missing out on with modern toilets? Like, really simply put, why hire someone just to swap out a toilet?
Well, it's definitely more involved than just, tightening a few bolts. A professional installer handles the really critical steps, like taking the old one out carefully. That's step one. Then they check the flange on the floor.
The flange, okay, what's that exactly?
Think of it like the docking ring, basically. It anchors the toilet and connects it straight to the main drain pipe. It's super important.
Gotcha. So that connection point has to be solid, no room for error there.
Precisely. And once they know that's good, they use something called a wax ring.
A wax ring.
Yeah, it sounds basic, but it creates this perfect watertight seal between the toilet and that flange. That's what stops any leaks underneath the toilet. And they always test everything thoroughly before they leave, make sure that seal is holding, no drips, nothing.
Okay, that detail sounds crucial. But thinking about, say, someone listening in Pitt Meadows is paying, what, maybe $200 to $500 for installation? Really worth it? Compared to just grabbing a wrench?
I'd say absolutely, yeah, because you're really talking about preventing future problems, the ones that can get expensive. Professionals, especially local ones like those mentioned from Pacific Blue Mechanical, know the specific plumbing codes and standards right there in BC, in Pitt Meadows.
Ah, so they know the local rules.
Exactly. Doing it right, making sure it's compliant from the start, that seriously reduces the risk of slow leaks you don't even notice at first. Those can lead to nasty floor damage, mold, stuff you really don't want to deal with.
Okay, I see.
Plus, here's a big one. Professional installation usually comes with a warranty. That covers the work and the parts. It's like insurance against a costly surprise later.
Right, peace of mind.
Yeah.
Okay, so avoiding risk, that's benefit one. But what about the toilet itself? You mentioned new features. There's a money angle too, right? Water saving.
Oh, huge. Yeah, think about it. Old toilets could use up to, 3.5 gallons every single flush.
Wow, that's a lot.
It really is. New high-efficiency models, they can use as little as 1.28 gallons per flush. That's a massive difference.
And that translates directly to lower water bills over time. So the installation cost starts to pay for itself.
Definitely. And this is where you see clever design like dual flush toilets.
Oh yeah, I've seen those. 2 buttons.
Right. Simple idea. One smaller flush for liquid waste and a slightly bigger flush for solids. You get the performance you need, but you're automatically using less water without even thinking about it. Cuts down that utility bill.
And then there's the comfort side. It's kind of amazing. We're not just talking porcelain anymore.
No, not at all. You've got smart toilets now with features like integrated bidets.
Heated seats too, right? Perfect for those chilly BC mornings.
Exactly. Heated seats, quiet close lids, so no more slamming. Some even connect to apps on your phone. It's wild.
So there are options for everyone, whether you need a basic water-saving model, something compact for a small bathroom, or these fully loaded high-tech units.
That's right. Standard dual flush smart toilets. The range is pretty wide now.
So wrapping this up then, let's go back to that cost, that $200 to $500 for a pro install.
Yeah, remember that cost isn't just paying someone to turn a wrench. It's investing in preventing potentially thousands of dollars in leak repairs down the line. It's buying that warranty protection.
Makes sense.
And think long-term value for your home. A new, efficient, maybe even slightly fancy toilet doesn't just save you money on bills, it actually makes your house more attractive if you ever decide to sell. It can genuinely add to the resale value.
Good point.
So here's something to chew on. We've talked about how one modern toilet saves a lot of water. Now, imagine if almost everyone in a community, let's say like Pitt Meadows, made that switch to a water-efficient model. Think about the collective impact the water saved for the whole town.
Wow.
Yeah. So the question is, what seemingly small upgrade in your own home today could actually make a pretty big difference for your community tomorrow?